But if I tell you what I want, then it doesn't count. Crazy. Y'all are crazy with a capital crazy, but you're also mystical, magical creatures of super sexy sassiness. And so we as dudes are going to continue to try and decipher the complex, mystical, magical, crazy mind of women. But the good news is that I'm here and I've already done it. Gentlemen, today I'm going to go over a few things that she wants you to do, but she'll never, ever, ever ask or tell you because that would be too logical and easy. Gentlemen, speaking easy, I hope it's easy for you to drop me one of those to tell the algorithm to suck it. Speaking of sucking it, the first thing that every single woman wants you to do, but she's not going to be like, wash your balls, Brian, is wash your balls, Brian. Not only wash them, make sure they're fresh, they're clean, they're powdered. She also doesn't want to go downtown to visit Al if you got a big monster man bush. Gentlemen, nobody wants to go through and digging through a monster man bush, just like you don't want to go downtown to visit Brenda and have to weed whack and get your way. Exactly, gentlemen, which brings me to the second thing she wants you to do. All of you to do is go downtown and visit Brenda. And by visit Brenda, I mean one of the downsides of watching the movies is that it doesn't put a lot of focus on the attention to Brenda, right? It's all about the dude. It's all about Big Al. But the truth is that if you really want to satisfy your spicy senorita, you got to make sure that you're going downtown to visit Brenda, right? You got to go down, be like, yo, Brenda, what's going on, girl? Good to see you. Mind if I hang out here a little bit and hang out there a little bit? Not for like 10 seconds, which brings me the third thing that she wants you to do, and that is not last for 10 seconds. I want a guy who's really quick in the bedroom. Said zero spicy senoritas ever. Gentlemen, here's the truth. She doesn't want you to be all like, wait, hold, don't move, right? That's not sexy, right? And thinking about grandma naked. Also, not exactly amazing. Dead kittens, that doesn't work either. I'm gonna throw myself under the sexual bus. I have not always been a stallion in the sack, right? I was not blessed with gigantic sausage. I also, at times, didn't last like crazy long, right? I'd get excited. I was just excited to be there, right? But that is why I wish I had these bad boys, Roman swipes. Gentlemen, these bad boys are from Roman, today's video sponsor, and these are a little sexual secret weapon that I just want to tell you about real quick. If you are somebody that literally wants to last longer in the bedroom, you got to hit that link down below and grab a pack of Roman swipes. These bad boys are little tiny benzocaine swipes, right? You take one, right before you get frisky and freaky, be like, yo, mamacita, 1 second, I'll be right back. You run to the bathroom or just do it right there. It doesn't really matter, right? Open it up, rub it on, Al, come back, and you are, boom, you are ready to rock and roll longer and stronger than ever before, because that is what these bad boys do. They desensitize Big Al, right? In order for you to last longer and be amazing and dazzle the spicy pants off that senorita. Roman swipes have been clinically proven to help dudes last longer. And I'm telling you, gentlemen, I'm telling you, you got to try them. Even if you're like, yo, Alpha, I'm good, right? Give them a shot, because if you're good now, you're going to be amazing after you use these bad boys. And the other cool thing, guys, they don't transfer to your partner. Guys, I'm going to link to it down below. It's rode.co/alpha. If you go through our special link, you're going to get 20% off your first order of Roman swipes. And the other amazing thing is that you don't need a prescription. For those of you out there that are like, yo, Alpha, I don't have a problem like going too quick. I have a problem being rock solid, or even like semi-solid, or just like if you're having trouble getting Al to do what you want Al to do, you also should check out Roman, because they have an incredible offer and opportunity for you to treat your ED. Guys, you deserve to have a happy, healthy sex life. And if you're somebody that can't get Al to do what Al needs to do, you're not happy. She's definitely not happy. And so hit the link down below, ro.co/alpha, and treat your Big Al to the best. The best is Roman, and the best that I've ever tried is Roman swipes. These bad boys, clinically proven to help you be a rock star in the sack. Confidence, gentlemen, it boils down to you being confident where it counts, and that is in the bedroom department. Because if you're all weird and insecure, right, that's definitely not sexy, and it's not something she wants to deal with, which is the next thing that we got to talk about that she wants you to do, and that is stop being weird and insecure about your wiener and also her ex-boyfriend. And don't try to like compare like him versus you. Don't ask her, gentlemen, just let it go. Let it go. She's with you. You're awesome. Bottom line. The next thing she wants you, all of y'all, to do is stop dressing like crap. All right, think about it like this. What is a woman's most amazing accessory when she walks in a room? It's not a handbag, it's not her earring, it's not a ring, it's the dude whose arm she's hooked onto walking in that room. If she's looking all super sexy and sassy and like sex level 27 and you're a freaking slob, it brings her down. Just like you, if you spend time and money and energy looking sexy, right, you don't want the person that you're with to look like a homeless wildebeest. Gentlemen, same thing. She also wants you to compliment her without being asked, and not just when she gets dressed up or says, oh, how do I look in these jeans, right? The answer for the record is always, my God, you look freaking amazing. That ass, I just want to die, right? Because that's what she wants. She wants to feel beautiful. And if she has to fish for the compliments, gentlemen, it totally defeats the purpose. She wants you to tell her she looks beautiful even in the morning when she wakes up looking rough. Two things she wants to be complimented on that she's not going to be like, please tell me my hair looks amazing and my ass looks banging. Those are two things. She wants to know that her hair looks amazing and her booty looks banging. Gentlemen, you think all those women are taking those selfies and buying those new spandex pants with the wedgie already built in by accident? It's not an accident, and if you don't do it, I'm warning you, that dude Brad in accounting is going to come sniffing around your action, and he's going to be like, damn, Becky, look at you, right? And she's going to be like, who, me, mine? And she's going to start dressing in tighter damn skirts and wearing yoga pants to work. Nothing good happens when she starts wearing yoga pants to work. The next thing she wants you, each and every one of you, to do is connect with her friends. Right now, this one is a little bit weird, right? But a woman wants to feel like her dude is accepted by her friends, even though her friends are freaking disasters, right? You gotta be nice, you gotta be sweet, but don't be too nice or too sweet. But if you can connect with a woman's friends and have them like really like you, right? They're gonna be talking in your girl's ear. Oh my God, Brian's so sweet. And then you wanna take it next level? Do something extra sweet. Send her flowers or some type of gift, or even go to her office or where she's working and take her to lunch. This is automatically gonna make all of her coworkers incredibly jealous. They're literally gonna be on the phone with their man. Why don't you ever take me to Chipotle? Right? It's gonna happen, right? Take the woman to Chipotle. The Alfam rule of keeping a woman happy, gentlemen, if she wants a burrito, take the woman for a burrito. Also, take her shopping. She loves that too. I'm not saying you gotta like pay for like a big shopping trip, but women, a lot of them, like going shopping, right? And as a dude, right, you're probably like, yo, I don't want to go. I want to sit home, hand down the pants, watch football, drink beer with the boys. I know, right? But if you really want to like get the engine started rolling, right? Go shopping with her, because shopping is a fun experience if you are shopping in the right place. And also, you can start doing little naughty things like smooching a little bit in the dressing room, or let me see, right? Give her compliments when she's trying things on. Gentlemen, you want to talk about like starting the foreplay action, right? When you're shopping, that's also a great time to sneak little like kisses or give little squeezes or feels, right? Dressing room. Listen, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help unlock her freakiness. And if you are somebody that wants to really get it going, right, go shopping with her. And then, like I said, it's a perfect time to start the escalation to sexy town. The next thing she wants you to do, she's not going to be like, Brian, please take the action, right? She wants you to take the action. She doesn't want you to ask. She wants you to take it, gentlemen. She also wants you to be a man. Be a man. There's nothing wrong with being a man. She wants to feel safe. She wants to feel secure. She wants to feel taken care of. And she also wants you to stand up for her, even if she's wrong. All right? Because that's one of the things. I've gotten in arguments with my wife where she said something that was totally wrong. And like, she's like, you should have just defended me. I'm like, but you were wrong. She's like, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what you think.
I'm like, well, it kind of does, because I'm a dude and I think about things logically. If you're wrong, then I want that, like, right? That doesn't work. It doesn't matter. Gentlemen, she wants to feel like she's your queen. She wants to feel supported, and she wants to feel like a woman.